First, we're gonna grab a jelly worm and put it in the microwave for about 5 seconds and melt it down. Make sure you test it with your fingers first so it's not gonna be too hot so you're actually gonna burn yourself. We're gonna glue the underside of our bone that we've created earlier with the jelly worm and then press it firmly onto our skin so it stays in place when we're gonna do the rest of the wound. Grabbing our wax again, we're going to spread it out around our bone. Making sure again that we have our edges nice and smooth. And because it is quite the traumatic accident, we can have our edging of our wound being quite rough. With our little sponge that we created earlier, from our kitchen sponge, I'm stippling some coloring around the whole wound again. This is for our inflammation. The sponge may give you a little skin texture as well, which can look pretty good. With a brush, I'm brushing through the wound now and opening it up a little bit more. Time to add lots of blood. Working the blood around, and with the blood and my brush, I'm just working more little areas that have opened up during this accident. As it is quite a traumatic wound, we can have quite a bit of blood. Within the bone, we can color the bone marrow that's in the inside of the bone with just a very watered down, reddy brown color. Adding some more little holes and bits around it and spreading some more blood around. Now we can use a little bit of banana for our fatty tissue. As it is quite a deep wound, chances are we can see some of that tissue coming out. Adding some more blood on top of the bone as well. I still like to see the bone, but it will definitely be bloody. And there we have it. Our broken wrist is done.